This is the Atelus USB retro wired computer keyboard. It has cute round keycaps that are detachable, allowing it to be cleaned more easily. It has a 5.4 foot wire, so you don't have to be super close to your computer, as well as if you use a laptop or another device, it gives you a lot of range of cord. It has 3 different indicators: a keypad lock indicator, caps lock indicator, and a win lock indicator. Its ergonomic design makes it more comfortable and allows you to feel and release the keys like a traditional keyboard. Its wrist pressure allows you to work effectively in the office. It's compatible with a ton of different devices, and it's made out of an ABS environmentally friendly plastic material that makes it more durable and long lasting. I love that it provides a reliable connection, but also the fact that you don't need to install anything in addition to the keyboard. It's plug and play ready. I love that it is wired, so it provides that consistent power and you don't have to worry about it running out of batteries. It even has easy access media keys and a full number pad. Overall, I love the aesthetic of this retro typewriter. It looks so cute, as well as it's so useful for modern day technology, but with the comfort and feel of that knocking sensation when you hit the keys, which makes it fun to type, as well as productive and comfortable to use. Thank you so much for watching.